Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has tested negative for COVID-19 after he voluntarily gave his swab sample for test on Saturday. The Chief Minister's swab sample was taken after he came in contact with a senior BJP member of the Bihar Legislative Council who tested positive for coronavirus earlier in a day. A senior functionary of the health department who requested anonymity said swab samples of all 16 people from the Chief Minister's residence have tested negative for COVID-19. These samples, which tested negative, also included those of 4 bureaucrats attached to the Chief Minister. Moving on to the next news, the August 15 deadline set by ICMR for Bharat Biotech India Limited to launch a coronavirus vaccine is unfeasible and has raised unrealistic hopes in the minds of the people, the Indian Academy of Sciences said in a statement. The statement read, "The Academy strongly believes that any hasty solution that may compromise rigorous scientific processes and standards will likely have long-term adverse impacts of unforeseen magnitude on citizens of India." Moving on to the next news, all the staff of a police station in Uttar Pradesh where 8 policemen were shot down by Vikas Dubey and his gang on Friday are suspected of leaking information to the notorious criminal. An associate of Vikas Dubey who was arrested today has told the police that his boss received information from the police about the impending arrest, after which he called in reinforcements and ambushed the 50-member police team. An employee of a local power station has said power was disconnected in the area after orders from the top indicating a conspiracy. The station in charge of the Chaubepur police station has been suspended and is being questioned by the police. Moving on to the next news, at least 4 Maoists were gunned down during an exchange of fire with security forces in a dense forest in Odisha's Kandhamal district on Sunday, a top police official said. Some rebels have also suffered injuries in the operation. Acting on a tip-off, a team of Special Operations Group personnel and District Voluntary Force officers had launched a raid in the forest in Tumudibanda area of Kandhamal district early in a day, he added. Moving on to the next news, heavy rainfall drenched Mumbai and nearby areas in Maharashtra for 3 days straight, leading to waterlogging in low-lying areas and traffic disruptions. About 298 mm of rainfall was recorded in the last 48 hours in Mumbai, while the suburbs recorded 357 mm of rain. Extremely heavy rainfall and waterlogging have added to the concerns of the city, already grappling with high number of coronavirus cases.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.